Hi guys, I got my Grove collaborative box in the mail today. So if you're interested in seeing what came in this box today, stick around. This is what came in my Grove box for April. I didn't order that much for April. And then I also got this free Lavender Castile soap, an 8-ounce bottle. So I'm really interested in seeing how this soap works. It's a new product that Grove has out. And then I got the foaming soap, lemon scent, to go in the hand soap pump. And then I got the liquid dishwasher detergent, the gel, and also a bottle of the rinse aid. So we're going to see how this works out. Guys, this is all I have in this box. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that subscribe button down below, and up in the upper right corner, guys, there's a bell. If you click on that bell, it's a notification. It lets you know every time I upload a video. And again, guys, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying, as always, you guys be blessed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my social media accounts, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, and my website, Creatively Miss Me, Creatively_Miss Me for Instagram. And guys, as always, you be blessed.